Hello everyone, and welcome to BoxPut. In today's video, we'll answer some of the most common questions about the G71S PRO Samsung Remote. Let's get started. FAQ 1. Make sure the remote is powered on. Before using the G71S PRO Samsung Remote, make sure the power switch on the left side of the remote is turned on. FAQ 2. Which Samsung TVs are supported? The G71S PRO Samsung Remote is designed for Samsung Bluetooth TVs. Samsung TVs that only support infrared remotes are not compatible. Before purchasing, please make sure your television supports Bluetooth connectivity. FAQ 3. Why can I power on the television, but other buttons don't work? The power button can work without a Bluetooth connection. However, after the television is turned on, the remote must be paired via Bluetooth before other functions can be used. Once paired successfully, the remaining buttons should work normally. FAQ 4. Why doesn't the Enter key work? The Enter key on the rear keyboard is currently not supported for text confirmation. After typing, please use the confirmation option displayed on your television screen to complete the input. FAQ 5. Will the remote work with all Samsung TVs? The G71S PRO Samsung Remote is compatible with approximately 80% of Samsung television models. Compatibility may vary depending on the television model and software version. If you are unsure whether your television is supported, please contact our support team before purchasing. FAQ 6. How can I contact BoxPut support? For support, please check out our BoxPut Support Center video on YouTube. It explains how to contact our team through WhatsApp and submit a support request. Thanks for watching. For more tips and guides, subscribe to BoxPut.